Hey man, what's up? What kind of surprise?
3G, baby! Ooh! Check it out! Yeah!
Congratulations, you finally got one.
I know, it's rad, huh? Oh. Hey, babe. Do I sound 3G? Yep, just got it. I know, I'm in the club now. Yeah, okay, that sounds good. All right, I'll see you then. Love you too. Bye. Steve, dude, what's up, buddy? Hey, I gotta get your picture for my new iPhone so your ugly mug pops up when you call. Yeah, I just got it. Make sure you get a facial scrub, huh? I want you pretty for my iPhone. Alright, later.
Okay man, you're gonna have to change your ringtone.
Why?
Because I got ringtone tenure.
Don't be ridiculous, dude. Millions of people use marimba. It's the default ringtone.
Yeah, well millions of people don't work in our office. Come on man, be a pal.
Are you jealous?
I'm not jealous of your phone.
You low blood sugar. Get a snack, dude.
I'm sorry,
Hey, listen, man.
I changed my
Change my
ringtone. Me too. Good call on the low blood sugar.
Yeah, you get a little cranky when you got low blood sugar.